So it's time, right? So this is my most favorite part of all of my projects, and that's putting on the finish. And so when I have a blonde piece like this, I've got a few choices. You've seen a couple of other videos where I've just done a polyacrylic. You've seen where I've used tung oil. You've seen where I've used beeswax. And I am not gonna have a shine to this one. I'd rather have this one just a natural finish. And so you've seen me use this product before. This is a Cargen beeswax. Links to all of my products that I use are in the description of the video. And so I'm gonna take this little guy right here, and just with my fingers, I don't even use a sponge applicator, but I want you to get a picture of this. Let me scoot you up a little bit because I want you to see the color. Yeah, that's good. We'll do it right there. So just get a little bit. This just came out of the fridge. And so you're just gonna rub that in just like that. See, it's even the beeswax. I mean, granted, it's moistening it, so it's gonna be a little bit darker, but this is the color that I was looking for, is something just a little bit more of an amber. And of course, as this dries, that'll even lighten a little bit more. But it's absolutely gorgeous. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue to work the entire piece with the beeswax. It is dry mounted on a stand that I made. I won't put any glue or anything in that until I am done with this piece as far as putting on the beeswax. So I'll get a high view of that. We'll put it on time lapse, and then we'll do the final reveal, because that's always fun, right? All right, hold on a sec.